Cecilia Payne-Gaposchkin was one of the most brilliant but historically under-recognized astrophysicists of the 20th century. Her 1925 doctoral thesis revolutionized our understanding of the composition of stars, challenging and eventually reshaping the scientific consensus of the time. Born in England in 1900, Cecilia Payne showed an early aptitude for science and mathematics. She won a scholarship to Newnham College in Cambridge in 1919, where she studied botany, physics and chemistry. But at the time, women at Cambridge couldn't earn degrees, so Cecilia attended lectures by prominent physicists to develop her deep interest in astronomy. She couldn't progress that far with her career yet. Then she realised that there were better opportunities for her in the US, so she moved to the US in 1923 and she enrolled at Radcliffe College, a women's affiliate of Harvard. There, Cecilia became the first person to earn a PhD in astronomy from Harvard. Not just first woman, first person. And in her PhD thesis, Stellar Atmospheres, Cecilia Payne applied emerging quantum mechanics and spectroscopy to analyse the composition of stars. She made a revolutionary discovery. Stars are primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, rather than having the same composition as Earth, as was widely believed at the time. Cecilia's conclusion was so contrary to the established scientific opinion at the time that she was advised by the Princeton astronomer Henry Norris Russell to downplay her findings. So reluctantly she agreed, and she wrote in her thesis that her result was almost certainly not real. But then, just a few years later, Russell himself published a paper confirming Cecilia's results. He also received all the credit for it at the time. It wasn't until 1956, more than 30 years after her groundbreaking thesis, that Cecilia was finally appointed as a professor of astronomy and became the first woman to chair a department at Harvard University. During her career, Cecilia published over 150 research papers and several influential books. And now she's widely recognized and she has numerous awards and honors in her name. Her work reminds us that science advances through questioning, persistence, and rigorous thinking, even when those findings go against the grain. So let's hear it for Cecilia Payne-Gaposchkin.